That was kind of depressing.
What, you wanted to go check off some things?
Yeah, and there's nothing to check. Shit.
It's alright. It's alright.
Did you get the spark plugs?
No.
You kind of need spark plugs, homie.
We'll get those later. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, unless I have to run to Summit. Ooh, bring on the light. So what are we doing now, and what are we trying to have accomplished by the end of this, by the end of the day?
I'm gonna take off the coolant lines. Like, all this is gonna come off so we can mount the scavenger pump. And then we need to cut the radiator hoses so they clear the scavenger pump. Not exactly sure, because the kit is supposed to have that, and of course we bought the kit without it, so we got to figure out how we're gonna make it work. So
okay, at this point we're trying to get the one more spacer,
one more bolt.
Okay, so at this moment in time we're trying to get the scavenger pump on. We're just gathering all of our parts and whatnot for it. This. Yeah, the way these work is I have a couple spacers and studs that go into the timing cover, and then pretty much that goes right there. You see that on the crank, and it ties a belt around the scavenger pump. You should see it. And it's a weird looking contraption that looks awful confusing, and I don't know anything about it. And here I am trying to explain it to y'all. So this is a scavenger pump. This is the weird contraption that will leak oil if I spin it the wrong way. Alright, so we've got the scavenger pump pretty much on. We've got all the studs and everything in the right spot, but the belt is kind of loose. I mean,
I'm gonna try to see if I can, because it has slots on here for like adjustment, so I'm gonna try to bring it up a little bit.
Oh, yeah, we'll see. If not, I need another belt, because I thought I had a replacement, but I'm not so sure. But aside from that, we're just chasing down one of these nuts, because I guess I lost it being clumsy or whatever. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna keep on chugging along. Very, very slow progression at this point. I feel like everything we have to do is now tedious, so we'll see. And she's in. This is into the oil fill. So I guess the way this works, because this goes underneath the car and plugs in at the bottom, so that goes into the turbo. And so I guess this little thing spins this, which just keeps it running through the system over and over. So, well, yeah, circulates it. But do we have to overfill it?
Probably add a little bit extra, yeah.
Cool. Now what's next?
Let's put the fan back in.
Oh yeah, we took that out for clearance.
Oh. We gotta mod the hose.
Oh, because it's got to clear the scavenger pump now, huh? Okay. Well, this guy's gonna give me a quote for it tomorrow. We can do that. I mean, that would be start working on the fuel system.
That would be the easiest thing to do, is to get the right hose.
Yeah.
Let's put the throttle body back in.
All right. So now pretty much what we're doing is we're just hooking up the second regulator so we can run the lines. We can't finish the scavenger pump entirely because we don't have the radiator, or we don't have the coolant line that'll clear it. But I'm getting a quote tomorrow for them to send me another one from Hellion. Aside from that, yeah, like I said, just getting this regulator button or regulator set up so we can mount it. It's a gorgeous engine bay. This one's mounted. We're gonna have to pull it back off when we do the spark plugs because I gotta order those. I totally forgot. A short video for the day. I apologize for it. It's already late, and we had some other stuff we had to go get done. And working on this thing every third day is a little challenging. So it's gonna take a while, but stay with us. I said this is pretty much all we did. We got the scavenger pump all spaced out correctly. We got it installed. So we might have to get another belt if we can't adjust it correctly.
It was pretty tight.
We got that going back into the fill tube. We've got this mounted pretty much. Actually, yeah, this is mounted. That's run. Pops is tightening. Just some stuff on the intake manifold. But aside from that, got that fuel rail in and running all the way around to where it's going to connect into the side of the fuel pressure regulator. But other than that, stay tuned for more. We're getting closer. Hopefully, next.
Some parts ordered too.
Yeah, we have some parts on the way as well. Waiting on the scavenger pump line for the radiator, the coolant line, so it'll clear the scavenger pump. What else?
Spark plugs.
Spark plugs on the way. We have the couplings for the intercooler. Have those ordered.
Supports for the downpipe for the pipes on the bottom.
Yeah, some supports for the
For all the tubing on the bottom.
for the charge pipe on the intercooler, and then I'm looking into ordering some wheels. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah, I guess for next video what we're gonna do is finish up that passenger side for the fuel system, and then we'll be under the car running everything.
Yeah, I think we'll make good progress next video.
Yeah, we should. But stay tuned for more. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.